Hey guys, welcome back channel. Today we're diving deep into the POCO X7 Pro, a phone that's shaking up the mid-range market. With flagship-level performance at a budget-friendly price, is this the best mid-range smartphone of 2025? Let's find out. Before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on the latest tech reviews. Price and availability. The POCO X7 Pro launched in January 2025 and is already making waves. It promises premium features without burning a hole in your pocket. But does it really deliver? Let's check it out. Display, a visual treat. First things first, the display is stunning. POCO has packed a 6.67-inch Crystal Res 1.5K AMOLED panel with a 2712 by 1220 resolution. The result? Sharp, vibrant, and immersive visuals that are perfect for gaming, watching content, or just scrolling. 120 Hz refresh rate, buttery smooth animations, 3200 nits peak brightness, no issues in direct sunlight, Dolby Vision and HDR10 plus support, cinema quality colors and contrast. Whether you're binge watching Netflix or playing your favorite games, this display won't disappoint. Performance. Flagship power in a budget phone. Powering the POCO X7 Pro is the MediaTek Dimensity 8400U Ultra, built on a 4nm process. What does this mean? Superb power efficiency and top-tier performance. 8GB/12 GB, LPDDR5X RAM, ultra-fast multitasking, up to 512 GB, UFS 4.0 storage, quicker load times, handles heavy games like Genshin Impact and PUBG with ease. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a heavy multitasker, this phone won't let you down. Camera. Capturing moments in style. Let's talk about the cameras. The POCO X7 Pro comes with a dual camera setup, 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, great details and stable shots, 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, decent but nothing extraordinary. 20-megapixel front camera captures sharp and natural selfies. For video lovers, the phone supports 4K recording at 60 frames per second with OIS and EIS stabilization. While it's not the best camera in its price range, it still delivers solid results in daylight and stable video performance. Battery and charging, no more low battery anxiety. The 6,000 milliamp hour battery, 6,550 milliamp hours in India, is a game changer. This phone will easily last a full day, or even two with normal use. 90-watt hypercharge, 0 to 100% in just over 40 minutes. Great battery optimization with HyperOS 2. You won't have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of the day. Software and extra features running on Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2. The POCO X7 Pro comes with some cool AI-powered features. AI Notes and AI Recorder. Smart note-taking and voice recording AI interpreter and AI subtitles. Perfect for travelers and content lovers. AI-powered editing tools. Next-level photo and video editing. Other highlights? Dual stereo speakers, in-screen fingerprint sensor, NFC, IR blaster, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Final verdict, should you buy it? So, is the POCO X7 Pro worth your money? Absolutely. If you're looking for a powerful mid-range smartphone with a stunning display, excellent performance, long battery life, and super fast charging, this is a solid buy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. More awesome tech content coming soon. See you in the next one. Peace.